Binance versus Phantom Wallet, which crypto wallet is better? Choosing the right crypto wallet can completely change how you manage your digital assets without risking security or convenience. Both offer unique features for different users. Binance and Phantom Wallet are popular choices for crypto storage and management. Binance is a centralized exchange with an integrated wallet, while Phantom is a decentralized wallet primarily for Solana-based assets. The core difference lies in custody and blockchain compatibility. Binance Wallet is part of the Binance ecosystem, one of the largest centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. It functions as both a trading platform and a custodial wallet, meaning Binance holds the private keys on your behalf. Users can store, send, and receive a wide range of cryptocurrencies supported by Binance, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. The wallet integrates seamlessly with Binance's trading features, allowing instant access to buying, selling, and staking. Its strengths include ease of use, high liquidity, and extensive coin support. However, being custodial means users must trust the Binance's security measures and are subject to potential regulatory restrictions. It is ideal for users who prefer convenience, active trading, and a broad asset selection without managing private keys themselves. For beginners or those focused on multi-asset trading, Binance Wallet offers a comprehensive solution, but it may not suit users prioritizing full control over their crypto assets. Phantom Wallet is a decentralized, non-custodial wallet designed specifically for the Solana blockchain. It allows users full control over their private keys, providing enhanced security and privacy. Phantom supports Solana-based tokens, NFTs, and decentralized applications with a user-friendly interface that simplifies blockchain interactions. It works by connecting directly to Solana's network, enabling fast and low-cost transactions. Phantom's strengths include its focus on Solana, seamless app integration, and strong security through private key ownership. Limitations include its narrower asset support compared to multi-chain wallets and no built-in exchange for other cryptocurrencies outside Solana. Phantom is ideal for users deeply involved in the Solana ecosystem, such as NFT collectors and DeFi participants who want to maintain full control over their assets. It suits those who prioritize decentralization and security over convenience and multi-chain access. Comparing Binance and Phantom Wallet highlights key trade-offs. Binance offers a centralized all-in-one platform with extensive coin support, trading and staking, perfect for users seeking convenience and active portfolio management. However, users must trust Binance with custody of their assets, which may pose risks in case of hacks or regulatory actions. Phantom Wallet, on the other hand, provides decentralized control with private key ownership, focusing exclusively on the Solana blockchain. It excels in security and dApp compatibility, but lacks multi-chain support and integrated trading features. For example, a trader wanting quick access to various cryptocurrencies and exchange services would benefit from Binance. Conversely, a Solana enthusiast focused on NFTs and DeFi would find Phantom Wallet more suitable. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you prioritize convenience and variety or security and blockchain specialization. Binance Wallet is recommended for users who want a versatile, easy-to-use platform with broad crypto support and integrated trading, especially those new to managing digital assets. Phantom Wallet is the better choice for those committed to the Solana ecosystem who value full control over their assets and seamless dApp access. Choose Phantom for decentralization and security, or Binance for convenience and multi-asset trading capabilities.